Now let us see Charles' law. Charles' law. Boyle's law and Charles' law. This is Charles' law. So according to Charles' law, at a given constant pressure, the volume of a gas, volume of an ideal gas varies linearly with temperature. So this is what Charles' law is. Now again from kinetic theory, let us see PV is equal to 1 by 3 mn c square. Now pressure is constant, so you see here, and pressure is constant, so PV is equal to, now this, let us see that this term, that is the energy related, this C is related with the temperature. So we will call this is proportional to T, and since P is also constant, so V is proportional to T. So this V is proportional to T whenever P is constant. You can see is a direct consequence of PV is equal to 1 by 3 mn c square. Similarly, another version of Charles' law we can say, so when the volume is constant, then the pressure is proportional to the absolute temperature. Temperature is absolute temperature, that is in Kelvin scale. So again you see here PV is proportional to, is equal to 1 by 3 mn c square. That means PV is proportional to here temperature, implies here volume is constant, so we have P proportional to T. This is another version of Charles' law. So we have seen how we can deduce Boyle's law and Charles' law. They are the direct consequence of the equation which we derived in the kinetic interpretation of pressure.